guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing my very first Python tutorial. I'm going to start coding on REPL.it, which is a coding platform. It's a great platform and I always use this platform when I want to code. So I'm going to search up REPL.it and it's going to take me to this. This is all free, and to start coding I don't have to have a login, I don't have to have an account. But then it doesn't save your work. It doesn't save your progress. So if you want to save your progress, go over here and click sign up. Since I already have an account, I'm going to press login. I'm going to log in. After that, it should take you to this screen. If I want to see where my REPLs are, I can just click this. So I'm going to press this new REPL button over here. This is going to be where it shows your language. So since we're doing Python today, I'm going to click on Python, and it generates a name for you, but I'm going to rename it Hello. Create REPL. So my REPL is created. Over here is where my input is going to be. I input my code over here. This is where I'll be typing my code. Over here on this side of the screen, on the more darker side, this is where the code will be outputted, where I'll see my result. So the very first thing you're going to need to learn in Python, and this is a basic for everything you'll learn to code, is print statement. A print statement is basically just writing something out onto the output. So I'm going to write print. So write print in all lowercase. I'm going to do the parentheses and quotations. And I'm going to do hello world. It should print just hello world. And here it did. It printed hello world. So what I want to do is next thing I wanted to talk about was a hashtag. A hashtag is basically a comment. So this is great when you're trying to organize your code. So let's say when you have over 100 lines of code, you'll need some organizing, or it can get super duper messy. So let's say I have two parts of my code. I could do part 1 and do blah blah blah. I could do part 2, blah blah blah. And the comments, they don't come printed. The comments won't print. So as you can see, it doesn't print part 1. It's just there for your own reference. So I'm going to be talking about variables. So what a variable is it's storing data for a statement. So let's say I wanted to print hello world. Oops, I forgot my quotations. Hello world. How are you? Hope you have a great day. So this is a pretty long line of code, and if I'm doing multiple code, if I have like over 100 lines of code and I'm repeating the same code over and over again, I don't want to have to copy and paste it over and over and over again. That takes some time. I want to just write it in a short statement. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a variable. Hello equals, and hello equals the statement. And I guess overall you could copy and paste it. There's going to be quotations on this. But then again, copying and pasting over and over again, that's not an easy job. And if I wanted to do multiple, I'll have to copy and paste. Then re-highlight the next statement that I wanted to do and copy and paste it again. So this is a great tool. So now it'll just print this and this, because this isn't telling it to print anything. This is just the separate code. So as you can see, it printed this and this. So now, if I wanted to keep on printing, print hello. And I'm not going to put this in quotations. And as you can see, it's printing again, "Hello world, how are you?" So if I were to delete this, so you can see that there's no print statement for "Hello world, how are you?" It says this. Now you might be wondering why I didn't put in quotations. It's because if I put this in quotations over here, it takes this as a string. A string is just words or letters. So it's literally going to type in "hello." But we want it to type in "hello." This is our variable. So if I want to do a variable, I don't use quotations. So I wanted to do a simple input-output with the user. This is called user interface. What user interface means is that you can use, this user interface is, it interacts with the user. So if the code types in something, the user will have to type something back, and vice versa. So I'm going to start out by printing "hello." Forgot my quotations again. "Hello. What is your favorite color?" This is what I'm printing. After this, I will be writing my variable. This is my variable. So I'm going to be doing my variable, I'm going to say that color equals, and then we're going to do something that I didn't talk about before. It's called input. Input basically means that the user has to type in something back. So you'll see that here in a minute. Input, so I'm going to type in, so we're going to print this, and then I'm going to type in, please enter favorite color. So run this. And again, I forgot to do my quotations. So this is a big thing you'll need to learn to do. Please enter your favorite color. So here I can type in, let's say my favorite color is red. Nothing's happening now. So what I want to do is, if I type in red, we want it to respond to something. So again, this variable, this color variable, means that it's the answer to this. So whatever someone types in, it's going to be this color. So I can say print, I remembered my quotations, print color and I'm going to do this plus sign. So remember how I talked about that for a variable, if you want to print in something, you can't do quotation marks. So, but then I want to write blank is a great color. So how will I do that? Because is a great color is going to stay the same. That's not a variable. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this plus sign. It's like you're adding this, and then I'm going to write print color, and I'm going to add a whole quotation and make this one over here. Color plus blank is a great color to choose. And I'm going to run it. Please enter your favorite color. Red. Red is a great color to choose. And I'm going to add a space because this red is. If I wanted to do pink, pink is a great color to choose. So this is a basic user interface code. Now, I want to see what else you can create. Thanks, and I hope you have a great day. Make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, and I hope you enjoy my videos. Bye!